Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to mass posting short video on Instagram. So this is my software. You can see first we have the account management. Here will help you to add and manage multiple Instagram account. And I can log into this account. And you can see here when you're managing multiple Instagram account, you will attach proxy like I do like this. So each account will have a different IP. And I will log into my Instagram account like this. Okay. After logging into auto post reel, we will go to viral marketing. And I will choose post video reel. First I will set up the configuration. Number of thread is the number of account running at the same time. This is the number of video that each account will post. This is the break interval time. It means that this is the break interval time. There's two number here because each account will randomly choose a number between. And this is the time that each account will post the video. I will set up 30 to 50 seconds. Next, I will choose the video. You can choose a video for all account here. Or you can choose the video for each account that you want like this. I will choose video for all account. I will click to general configuration. Select the video and I will choose my folder and there I have video here. Press save. Next I can set up the video side and I can tag user. I can post with location and I can delete the video after posting. So it will not duplicate and then you can interact with the video after posting. Okay. After everything is set up I will press start and let the software do the work. There you can see it start opening the browser like this. And it will lock in and start posting in the script that I set up. There you can see it start posting video. Okay, you can check the whole process start working on the screen. If you need more information, please contact me in my Telegram or WhatsApp. The detail I pinned down below the comment section. Thank you so much for watching and subscribe to Chung Social Tools channel.